Okay, today we're going to draw Baki from the side. I'm going to use my iPad. You can use a pen and paper. If I go too fast, just pause. But let's get started. So we're going to do his nose first. He has kind of this button nose that comes out just like that. So draw it from the profile, the side, it kind of pops out. And then we're going to just come out a little bit more for his lip and then straight down. Then his lower lip, curve in and over. Okay, then we'll bring it up for his jaw. And let's just add his forehead in. And there we go. Now he's got, in this pose, he's gonna have a bit of a kind of tired look to his eye. So we're gonna just draw a side eye like that. We'll fill that in dark. Little eyebrow right above. Just like that. All right, now his ear. They'll kind of come up in here. And I'm gonna just do like some basic kind of hair locks. He's got this like shaggy hair, so if you do this shape that comes all the way through, just these same hair lock shapes throughout, that ought to do it for his hair. So I'm gonna go up and around. I'm gonna just keep it real shaggy. I'll start right there at the top, and I'm going to start just changing direction a little bit, keeping it as flowing as I possibly can, just like that. So while I'm doing the hair, you can kind of see that it's going off, and his hair is longer, and so we're not going to do the traditional anime hair where it stays really close to his head, but instead we'll kind of have it come all the way back like that. All right, let me zoom out just a little bit. He's super buff, and so from this side profile, his neck, we're going to actually bring down like that, a little line in there, and then down. His back is actually going to come out the back of his hair, and I'm going to just curve like that to give him some huge back muscles. And then let's do another line for his neck that kind of comes down into the collarbone. And then we've got to bring his shoulder like that. Super ripped. All right, let's do his pecs. We'll come down like that. We'll just bring him right in, and then come straight down for his abs. And I'm gonna go off the paper, but that's all right. Okay, now I'm gonna add in, his abs are gonna be kind of, squares. So we'll bring him like that with some lines up that are gonna kind of be his ribs. Then back up to his pecs. Let's bring his shoulder all the way in like that. So it kind of shows just massive shoulder, bicep that curves in there, and then down into the forearm. Let's go to the back of the forearm, curve out, and like that. And then just one more. Now let's just add in a few lines that are gonna be, they could either be like his veins, or they could be, more, I guess you could say ripples in the muscle. I'm going to add just a couple more lines, but that's it. There is our side profile. I hope you guys have enjoyed this today. Please make sure you comment if you have any requests, and subscribe to the channel so you can see my next drawings. And until next time, just keep on practicing, and I'll see you guys later.